Melissa Giles, Crazy Imagination Travel. I have just checked into the beautiful Grand Floridian Resort Hotel at Walt Disney World. We are in a king main building club level room. I'd like to take you on a tour of room 4208. Follow me. We were greeted immediately by concierge staff when we arrived. They walked us up, showed us the concierge lounge on level 4. And here is our beautiful room. Take a peek. We have a king size bed and a day bed, so we can sleep 3. Very well appointed. Our hidden Mickey. Love it, love it, love it. Lots of space on our end tables on both sides. And we've newly refurbished our room, so lots of plugs for electronics, 2 USB ports, thank you, got tongue-tied, and an electric cord. And then we have a Keurig here and a desk, which is nice. My daughter Paige is sitting on the pull-out sofa. Our host will be making that out for us this afternoon or this evening. Flat screen TV, more excellent space. Here we have, come on around, we have a refrigerator, dorm size. I always like to tell my guests these are great for up to 2 half-gallon size milks or your drinks and water. Nice little sitting area. There's really a lot of space in this room. I like it a lot. And coming on in here, we are in a deluxe level resort. So we have, let's open it on this side. We have Grand Floridian robes, slippers, hair dryer, and safe, which is nice. And then the restroom area, I love this. There's an area to get ready, 2 sinks, love that. H2O products, and look at this, a lovely Disney touch. You don't need to bring your own sunscreen. It's factor 50 along with our H2O bath products. Love, love, love that. Restroom area here, marble shower tile, more H2O bath products, love it. Okay, now let me show you the view. Follow me. I like the way Disney has the kid locks here, especially with young children, so that's a nice feature. Let's see if I can get the door open here. There we go. So our Grand Floridian balcony is rather large. We have 2 chairs and a table and the castle. So tonight we will be enjoying fireworks in our pajamas from our balcony. I'm really liking this main building. Very, very nice. All right, one more look at the room. For your next Disney vacation, contact me, Melissa, at crazyimaginationtravel.com. I'll take great care of you. See you real soon.